All right, Super Stitch, today we're gonna look at this Precor Discovery leg extension machine. We have an ankle roll down here that needs some upholstery. And this isn't the easiest thing to get off. Do this pin here, adjust this up and down. So what you'll need is a crescent wrench, perhaps a pair of snap ring pliers, or what I prefer is actually a flathead screwdriver. So the first step is get your crescent wrench on this item here. That will pull this pin out. Now the roll's still on here because there's this snap ring right here. So these are snap ring pliers and they go into those holes and then you squeeze the handle and it separates them. Now I picked this pair up at a garage sale and it's actually not the correct size because when I put it in here and press, it doesn't actually expand it quite enough. So what I like to do is I put my flathead screwdriver in here, get it out like that, and sometimes it's good to wear safety glasses when you're doing this. But if you spin it around, it's kind of tricky to do. But you get that off there, and sometimes this thing will go flying. So keep this and see it got a little bit bent, but not a big deal. Now this comes off and the roll slides off. And to get it back on, you just upholster it. Make sure to put this cap back on the correct way. That's the inside, goes back on. And again, snap ring pliers will get it on, but you don't need them. You just need to, I don't know if you can see, sometimes actually there's a little cutout right here in the steel and right there in the screwdriver fits right perfectly in there. This particular snap ring doesn't have that. So I just go like this. That's on, and then this one I can just push in there. There you go. You screw this thing back in, and then make sure it adjusts before you're done. And that's it.